Let's talk about the latest launched OnePlus smartphone, OnePlus 12. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with LTPO AMOLED display, 6.82-inch Quad HD Plus punch-hole display, resolution of 1440 by 3168 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 91.3% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 510 ppi pixel density, 4500 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus support. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel OIS main camera, along with 64 megapixel periscope telephoto camera, and with 48 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 8K at 24 fps on rear camera, and 4K at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Oxygen OS 14 and Color OS 14 in China. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.3 GHz single-core Cortex X4, plus 3 GHz dual-core Cortex A720, plus 3.2 GHz tri-core Cortex A720, plus 2.3 GHz dual-core Cortex A520. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB, 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB or 1 TB of UFS 4.0. Onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.3 by 75.8 by 9.2 mm, and it weighs around 220 grams. The color options black, green, white colors too. See in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5400 mAh battery, with 100 watt fast charging, 50 watt wireless charging, 10 watt reverse charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, Type-C headphone jack, with stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C 3.2 charging port, and with NFC, IR blaster for remote control, IP65 waterproof and dustproof. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OnePlus 12 has been expected price in Pakistan for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 170,999 Pakistani rupees, 4,299 Chinese yuan, and around $607, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 190,999 Pakistani rupees, 4,799 Chinese yuan, and around $677, while the 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 209,999 Pakistani rupees, 5,299 Chinese yuan, and around $748, while the 24 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 230,999 Pakistani rupees, 5,799 Chinese yuan, and around $818. Conclusion. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus 12 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.